If your lawnmower won't start, it's probably a dirty jet. We'll remove the jet and I'll show you what it looks like dirty. Remove the jet with a screwdriver. When you hold the jet up to the light, you should see the light all the way through it. There's no light at all. To clean it, you're gonna have to run a wire through it. Take your time and make sure it's really clean. Now we can see light through it. If gas sits in a lawnmower, it's gonna clog this little hole. You can also soak the carburetor and clean up any other gummy parts. If the jet is clogged, your lawnmower will not start. When we put everything back together, the lawnmower starts immediately, but the idle is loping up and down. After running it a while, everything cleaned up a little bit. Pulled it apart and cleaned the jet again, soaked everything. I'll show you the first pull. It's good it starts, but you can see that it's loping up and down. Just letting it run for a while cleaned everything out a bit. If a mower doesn't start, the very first thing I do is clean that jet. Nowadays, you can go on Amazon and buy an entire carburetor for like 15 bucks. If you're looking for a possible quick fix, just clean out the jet.